Yan, okay. Are you happy? I don't know. Yan, I don't know. Okay. Can you fly? No! No, I can't. I can't. Huh? Can you... No nga! Kulit mo! Lah! Okay, okay. Okay. No nga! Kulit mo naman, TikTok! Do you fall in love with more than ever? No? Wala pa nga sagot eh. Batukan kita eh. Okay, next! Do you like your current job? I don't know a job. I don't know a job. I don't have a job. You. Do you fall in love with person than one? Oh, diba? Honest ako, honest. Did you work hard today? I don't know. I'm sleeping all day. I'm sleeping all day nga eh. Tungan kita. Marunong ka pa sa buhay ko ah. This still is no. Oh, kasi marunong ka pa TikTok eh. Kotongan kita sa ngalang-alam mo. Kang ano dyan ah, pala desisyon ka. Do you like your... I don't have a job nga. I don't have a job. Mother. Okay guys, try natin to. Nag-aaral ka ba ng mabuti? Oo. Di pala. Okay guys, second question. Oo! Pogi ako! Pogi, di ba? Dati si TikTok. Oh, di ba? Loyal ka. Oo, loyal ako. Panis. Kotongan ko nga lang alam mo eh. Okay, fourth question. Matangkad ka ba? Oo, syempre. Aray. Di pala. Okay, last question. Ano? Ha? Ano yun? Gawa na ito ng TikTok, parang tanga.